Hello students, once again I welcome all the standard 7 students on this online class. I hope you all will be studying properly in your home and trying to read also from your book. So today we will be going to discuss about density, okay, and its unit and its formula for calculating density also we will see. So without delaying, let's get started this one. Density. The density of a substance is its mass per unit volume. You know about mass and volume. Mass means the amount of matter contained in an object. Volume means the space occupied, the whole space occupied by an object is called its volume. Okay? Density is the new term. So density is defined as, or density of a substance is its mass per unit volume. That means mass divided by volume is called density. You may have read about dense forest and densely populated areas. Yes, you must have heard this. Yes, dense forest or densely populated area. That means more number of people or more number of trees are present. Yes, a dense forest has a large number of trees per square kilometer than a less dense forest. A densely populated area or region has more number of people than the other regions. Yes, in the same way, matter is not packed alike in all substances. You all know that one different state of matters are present, like liquid, solid and gas. Yes. So, in each state of matter, that arrangement of molecules or arrangement of matter is not same. Yes, in one case the molecules are very loosely packed, in another case the molecules are very closely and very tightly packed, and in some other case molecules are just loosely packed. It is not same in all the cases. Yes. So, in the same way, matter is not packed alike in all substances. In some substances, particles are closely packed. In some other substances, particles are not so closely packed. And yet, in others, the particles are loosely packed. As a result, the quantity of matter in a given volume is not same for all substances. So, if we select a particular amount of quantity, particular space inside that three state of matter or three different matter, okay, same amount of volume we have selected in three different matter. Okay, if we try to calculate the number of molecules present in that particular space or volume whatever we have selected, it must be different, because three different matter we have taken, no doubt same volume we have chosen. Yes, but the number of particles present inside that particular volume is different in each and every other substances. Okay, as a result, the quantity of matter in a given volume is not same for all substances. Because of that, only the quantity of matter in a given volume at a particular volume is not same for all substances. It is different. Two substances having the same mass may occupy different volumes, and vice versa also. Yes, that means two substances having the same mass, that means 1 kilogram and 1 kilogram. If we will take 1 kilogram of cotton and 1 kilogram of iron, both are having same mass, that is 1 kilogram and 1 kilogram. But you must know that one. Obviously, that cotton will take more space as compared to the iron. Formula for calculating density. Okay, the density of a substance is calculated by dividing the mass of the substance by its volume. That is, density is equal to mass divided by volume, or D is equal to m by V. The density of lead is 11 gram centimeter cube per centimeter cube. This means, what is the meaning of that one? The density of lead is 11 gram per centimeter cube. What is the meaning of that? How can we explain that one? We can explain that like, this means a piece of lead of volume 1 centimeter cube has a mass of 11 gram. That means a piece of lead of volume 1 centimeter cube is having a mass of 11 gram. A volume of 5 centimeter cube of lead would have a mass of 55 gram. By knowing the density of a substance, the mass of any volume can be calculated as follows. That is, m is equal to v into d also, because density is equal to mass divided by volume. By doing the cross multiplications, mass is equal to density into volume. Again, volume is equal to mass divided by density. Yes, I hope you have understood this much. Okay, units of density. The SI unit of density is kilogram per cubic meter. SI unit, you must have to keep it in your mind, this one. Kilogram per cubic meter or meter cube is the SI unit of density. The CGS unit, gram per centimeter cube. Okay, I hope this much you have understood properly. You try to read that one from your book again so that you can understand more betterly. Okay, this much only. Thank you.